E-money here. First scores have been made this morning. Bonafide Hustler here. E-money here. And today we're gonna hit up some garage sales. I'll show you this find in 1 second. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of E-Money Spaceship. We're right outside of a garage sale. I popped on one $1 item already. This game right here, mint condition. And you pair this up with a Les Paul guitar. And what do they sell for now on Amazon? Like 89?
It depends on actually which guitar you put it up.
That's what I said, the Les Paul.
If it's on Amazon, probably about $115, $125.
Okay, so now it's a little bit higher. So yeah, this is a very important game to pair up with a guitar. So that's the first score of the day, and that was $1. So now we're gonna go check out another garage sale. E-Money, we just went to this garage sale. You stop laughing, E-Money. We just went to this garage sale. I found some cool stuff. All right, so I paid $6 for everything here. Got a Skippy can. Hey, Skippy. E-Money, you can start saving some money.
Nice. That's actually a really good jar.
I know, isn't it? All right, so that was $2. That in my booth resell for around 20, 25 bucks. I think the real winners are around here. This is an actual Team NFL Vintage Oilers fanny pack right here. Pretty awesome. Don't know what I can get for this.
Hakeem Olajuwon, best.
Oh, I'm telling you, man. That's what I'm saying, man. So Hakeem Olajuwon, yeah, he's really good. He always wears stuff like this. And then this is a TBD. This could be super amazing. Could also be like weird. But these are Vans Mickey shoes that I found there. Themed Vans always sell really well for the most part. So we'll see. These are TBDs, but this was part of the $6 deal. You know, my first guess is this is probably a $40 shoe, but it could be way more. We'll see. We're gonna try to maybe score. This neighborhood wide garage sale goes down in like, I don't know, 30 minutes, E-Money? What is it, 7:22?
Yeah.
What do you think we should do, E-Money?
Go to the other ones in 11 minutes.
So we have a garage sale that's 11 minutes away, and then we're gonna come back here and smash this place?
Sure.
All right, so I just came from a garage sale over there. Popped on this Singer machine, or a piece of a Singer machine, $12. It's heavy. If I drop it right now, that is gonna be an expensive hospital bill. This thing is super heavy. Tons of jagged edges and stuff, so trying to find a place to put it where it won't destroy everything. I'll be able to sell this for like 50 to 80.
Hey, how about that bike?
Oh, dude, that bike was $200, and the lady's like, "This is for serious people." That bike, this bike right here.
It's like
I almost like
mid 90s. Oh, I lost it. That's why I had to go back in.
It's a really cool bike though, but it's a mountain bike. Well, it's a hybrid bike converted to mountain bike, then converted to like this beach cruiser thing. But it's in impeccable condition. It's crazy. Anyway, what was the actual thing she said? What was it? That's for what?
Oh. This is for serious bikers only.
It's like the funniest thing. It's like, lady, I go flying off cliffs and I ride like every day. I don't know if I'm serious though. Next garage sale, I don't even know if we're gonna be able to leave this neighborhood, honestly. It's just popping left and right, so this looks amazing. Ooh, office chair. I could take that. Oh, E-Money made a big fail today. E-Money, how did you fail just now, by the way?
What do you mean?
You don't have your bike rack on the back of your freaking awesome truck and everything. There's no bike rack on here.
Yeah, but I have a perfect bed that'll fit everything.
Oh, jeez. Anyways,
I put it all in there.
We're gonna go back to the house eventually because we live in this neighborhood, and we're gonna put the bike rack on here in a second. So we got another garage sale right here. It looks good. It looks like an avocado, like when you push into it and it's perfectly soft. This is a ripe garage sale right here. It looks good. Okay, E-Money's making a deal on a pair of Tom's shoes, something like that, for his GF. And he's making the deal right now. These Tom's shoes are $3. Let's see if he talks it down. Is E-Money a smart E-Money, or is he a, you know, or is he a pay up E-Money? We'll see. Hey, E-Money. Yo. How much you pay for those things?
$2.50.
You talked it down, huh?
Yeah.
Smart boy. Hey, those sideburns, man. If that was a cool 80s toy brand, your sideburns would be the LJN or the Galoob. of sideburns. Sun's out. I mean, not the sun. I mean, the light is out now, not the sun's out, but yeah, hustlers are hitting the street. Gonna be a lot of fun, and it's hard doing Instagram story. It's hard doing Instagram story and you know, filming. E-Money, how hard is it to do all this stuff?
It's pretty time consuming, that's for sure.
Yep. But we're doing it and having fun, and I don't think we're gonna leave this neighborhood because now it's getting close to 8 o'clock. It seems like people are just popping their garages open, selling their junk. Hey, so E-Money, we got his bike rack on since we live next door to each other. I decided to empty out all my stuff in my garage. My garage has my finds now, and we are ready to go for more cheddar. So hit the like button if you enjoy these ride-alongs, because we just cleared the car for you guys. All right, we just mega scored at this garage sale. $5 for this Deuter Kangol Kid, whatever. It's basically a kid carrier. Here's the sun shader
I can't even see anything. It's so blur. Oh, there you go.
All right, so from this garage sale, we spent $5. E-Money and I are gonna go 50-50 on this, on the profit. It's a Deuter kid carrier right here. This is awesome. This is probably gonna resell for like, I don't know, 70 plus all day. So that's pretty good. Kid carriers are pretty cool. Those are definitely in bags to bucks, by the way. All right, E-Money, what'd you find?
Clue.
Master Detective? I've never seen anything like this. So is this the actual game, or is it a different game than the normal game? Is it like an extension?
It's the exact same thing, but you know what? If you look closely, it's like, it's E-Money with the sideburns.
Yeah, his sideburns are a little bit better than yours, E-Money.
At the garage sale.
Yeah. So this game was $2?
Yeah, $2. I'll probably get like 15.
Okay. I was expecting like way more than
maybe
that.
20.
Okay. All right. And this neighborhood's popping hard. We can't really leave it. That bag was a great find, and I want to find something kind of like last weekend. I found a like $40 bike sold within a week for like $240. You know, you can't be super picky. So we're just trying to. And by the way, I looked up the vans a little bit, and I think those are somewhere between the vicinity of 45 and probably $85. Those vans. So we'll see.
An air hockey table?
Looks like some video gaming chairs. I kind of want a chair though. Those are cool chairs. Yeah. Wow, chairs are like really cool. There's a bed. All right, so we didn't find anything there. We did see one of our friends, Eric, right there. What up, Eric? Continue down the road. There's resellers around here. I smell them. I see them. I see them. And if you listen carefully, you can actually hear resellers. Next garage sale somewhere down here. Probably gonna be a little late to this one, but there's supposed to be some bikes and stuff, but I doubt they'll even be there, but never know. Might find some other cool stuff at this garage sale. It's right around the corner. I'm fading fast. I need a Doppio super hard, or like a Cortado. I need something.
You need Doppio?
I need Doppio. So go up there. We can get a good vantage point. I can't see anything. All right. That's the garage sale. Let's go check it out. We did actually get the bike. It's sitting back there on the rack. It's just a women's cruiser bike, basically. We paid $25 for it. It'll be worth about, once we're done cleaning it up, about 100 plus all day. Officially the smallest sign in the game. Look how small that sign is, dude. Holy crap. That was tiny. You know what else is tiny, E-Money?
Your finds today.
Ooh, I was gonna say something even worse. Hey, they're right there. Something. Is that? It has a garage sale sign, but there's like an estate sale there. What? This? Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. Let's look this up. I want to just check it out. Just went to this garage sale that we didn't really want to go to. Sherman-Williams trucker hat in my booth, about $10. This one's kind of bent up. Got this one right here. I think this is a Pittsburgh Pirates, maybe. It's a new era. It's a new era pro model. It's very crusty. I don't know if this is vintage or if this is like current day and they just stored it improperly. Don't know what this is gonna go for, but for $1, you know, I could sell this in my booth for minimum, like probably 10 or so. Then we got this JBL speaker right here, Clip 2 for $1. It's a Bluetooth speaker, so why not? That was the finds from this garage sale. Probably gonna keep the speaker and destroy it as we hike or mountain bike or something. But yeah, that's what we found. All right, so we are here at Houndstooth Coffee, the best doppio in town. Although we're gonna get a Cortado today. And yeah, here we are, Lamar Boulevard. Two Cortados with tip. We gotta tip them a little bit. $12.
What?
I don't know if we should come here again, ever.
No way.
Oh my God. That's expensive.
What? You're kidding, right?
No, I'm not kidding.
Oh my God.
We're not coming here anymore. That's too much. That's just like highway robbery and street robbery and parking lot robbery and like loading dock robbery. I mean, it's like the worst. You have to try it first because you never know. It might be worth $6 a piece.
Oh, mine has a heart.
We might have a little pancake situation here on the crema. Ooh, that was good. Cheers. Let's try this out.
Ah!
Ah! It's so good. Ah!
Ah!
And Ducati just flew by. That was cool.
Ah!
I'll give it a 3. It's still not, oh man. It's not worth $6, that's for sure. No way. No way it's worth $6.
Easy 3 Fantastic.
It's good though. It's just not worth $6. That's too much. I feel bad. I really do. I don't like spending that much money on it. It should be $6 for both. It really should be. But what the hell? Yeah. That's a lot. Welcome to Austin, guys. All right, next garage sale. We're gonna find one here in a second. Oh man, those sideburns, e-money. If your sideburns were a cool 80s board game, it would be the Mall Madness of sideburns. If your sideburns were a toy that we never had that when we were little, that we needed and we wanted, your sideburns would be the Power Wheels of sideburns. We never had Power Wheels and we wanted one so bad. We never got one. Gosh, Santa must have thought our chimney just wasn't big enough to like throw Power Wheels down it. I don't know. Okay, we just flew by the garage sale. It came up on us really fast. And now we're going back to it. It looked really good. And we are in central Austin now. So believe it or not, every one of these houses right here, all these pieces of land, we're in like, I think Travis Heights or something. Every one of these houses is probably very close to 700K or something. And these are like nothing. Like that right there is probably $700,000.
Old Austin.
Yeah, and that's not even that big of a lot. That's probably 700. Maybe 650, but it's, you know, this stuff is not cheap over here when you get into Central. Everyone wants to live Central, but it's really hard to afford Central, honestly.
Is this Vespa one?
I don't know. Yeah, one of the garage sales today also has a Vespa scooter. Maybe we can, you know, get one, who knows. But this garage sale looks pretty interesting. We just passed it. All right, let's check it out, E-Money. Score, untested though, okay? So untested, but I think it's a score. Bang & Olufsen, we have a record player right there. Pretty nice. That was 15 bucks. And then we have a Sony Betamax, $10 right here. He said it works. These are very hard to find working condition though. So TBD on the prices right there, but for 25 bucks, I'll take that risk. Can always sell them broken, parts not working, whatever, and still make my money back and then some and make some money. So if they do work, I think that's some serious cheddar, hopefully.
So inside that record player is a LP, is that right? LP?
I guess.
Okay, of Tchaikovsky.
Oh, cool.
Name song composed by Tchaikovsky.
Dude. Sonnet number 8. What is it?
I have no idea.
Oh.
I think there was Swan Lake or something.
All right. How about this? Oh, my favorite song by Tchaikovsky? Oh, dude. Ride the Lightning.
I was about to say, For Whom the Bell Tolls.
For Whom the Bell Tolls. That is such a good Tchaikovsky song. Oh my God. I'm telling you, man. Oh, dude. How about Symphony of Destruction? That is Tchaikovsky.
No, I was about to say, isn't Hey Jude one? Hey Jude.
Yeah, Hey Jude. No Rain is a good one.
500 Miles.
Hey Jealousy. Yeah. That's a great Tchaikovsky song. Oh man, Tchaikovsky has a really good song. No, but his number one hit, you know what it is?
Enter Sandman.
No, his number one hit is Thong Song by Tchaikovsky. It's so good. Who doesn't love thongs? Clearly, Tchaikovsky loves thongs. All right, E-Money, where are we going to? We're going to a garage sale that might have a Vespa.
Yeah, might have a Vespa.
Turn right.
Hey, I could use a Vespa right now.
Turn right onto El Paso Street. Then arrive at your destination.
Someone's sitting on my Vespa. Oh, that looks. Oh, I see antlers. Oh, this is gonna be a perfect garage sale. See antlers, I see all kinds of stuff. I think the guy spotted us. Major scores from this garage sale. E-Money got this awesome keyboard. What do you think this is gonna resell for? 80?
Probably 80 to 100.
All right, nice. Local sale there. Nice. I got those for 15 bucks. Those are Red Wing work boots right there, steel toe. They're probably gonna resell for around 90 plus. That's what I would think. I paid 15 for them. But didn't you get something else that's really awesome?
Yeah.
What is it? E-Money. I think I see your biceps. They're like right here.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's see. The Vast Unknown. That would be somewhere in Arizona. Yeah, we don't want to go there. E-Money, do you think the garage sales are really good in this part? Probably not. In this part? Oh, dude, this is the worst garage selling town of all. Yeah, don't ever go here. There. This is like the worst resale here. Right here.
Oh, look. You know where we should go?
Where?
Right there in Florida. You see it in the water?
No. What?
Cheddar Key.
I had to pull the trigger. I paid 80 bucks for this Yeti Rody cooler right here. And it came with an ice block and a stash can. Had to pull the trigger on it because I'm gonna use it for like a couple of years and still flip it for like 100 bucks. I mean, why not? Yeti coolers really are good. They're roto-molded plastic and they really keep things super, super duper cold. It's ridiculous. And I know there's a bunch of competitors out there like Arctic and Cody and all these other ones, and they probably work just as well. The Yeti brand, since Yeti's in Austin as well, I mean, anything goes wrong with them, bring it into the store, they give you a new one. It's crazy. So for the most part, they give you a new one. Had to pull the trigger on it. Had to. Oh yeah, let's go right. All right, we're gonna go pick up some eggs pretty soon. We're listening to some stereo MCs connected. Dude, this song was the jam from back in the day. Gonna get some awesome pasture-raised eggs, and then we're gonna be at taco time pretty soon. A pretty awesome day so far. If you're enjoying the vlog, like I said earlier, make sure you hit the like button. So I'm bringing this other Yeti. We do love these Yetis, man. Get situated, dude. Get situated. All right. So these are the eggs, right? Is that cracked this morning?
That was cracked this morning, yep.
Look at that. That is amazing. So, do you have any left?
Yeah, I think I've got a few.
Good. We'll take 4, if you got them. Whoa, man. Oh my gosh.
We just went through cooler number 1. We got cooler number 2.
There you go. If you're in Austin, Texas, you have to come here. I'm telling you right now. This is the place. Go see Sam at Churchill Creek Farm. This
is our new springtime label here.
I know. Cool, man. I love it.
Soy-free, corn-free, non-GMO, pasture-raised eggs.
Oh, beautiful. I got my brother on them now. He's hooked. Awesome. Yeah. He's hooked. E-Money is hooked on these eggs now.
Dude, I love it. I love it.
So they come from this, right?
Yeah. They come right out of her butt.
We're in front of Taco Deli. I think it's time to break stuff. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, E-Money?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I think you'd be leaving with a fat lip. Are you ready?
One of those days.
Are you ready to get some tacos? It was a fun day, honestly. E-Money, if your sideburns were tacos, you would have the Taco Deli of sideburns.
I would.
I want to get everything. The master here. That looks awesome, man. Huh?
2 more years.
10 more years. What do you mean?
2 more years till the soccer team gets.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, we're getting one? We're getting one?
Real team.
All right.
Oh, I got some stickers. I'll need some stickers, right?
Yeah, we'll take stickers. Does it make our truck go faster? It's gonna be. Tacos have arrived. We've got some complimentary guac on Jeff. Thanks, Jeff. And these are the tacos right here. This is the sauces we're gonna put on them. You ready to eat?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's go eat this up. See you in 1 second. We're gonna cap the day off because E-Money, was like, hey, let's go to this garage sale. It goes till 4 o'clock this one. Got another bike right there, Electra Townie. Oh my gosh, an Electra Townie. Near and dear to my heart. Hey. We paid 60 bucks for it. It's gonna be worth, if I fix it up and everything like that, it's north of 150. So that's all that matters. And just like that, the garage sale day is over, guys. This vlog is done. I'm so sorry we can't hang out anymore, but it's all good. Everything good has to come to an end, because if it didn't, it'd be the most boring thing on earth. So guys, thanks for watching this video. And what was your favorite find besides E-Money's little mutton chops? Let us know down below. We'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler Ride Along. Take it easy. Goodbye.